Xbox team, why do we have to deal with this shit? You're supposed to make sure these things work before you send them out. So after going here and there online, I learned of the towel trick. I should not be fucking doing this. Okay. So, I'm gonna do once more, mind you. It worked the first time, but then it reverted back to the fucking rings, and now I have to bring out the towel again. So, let's go. Okay, here we go with the towel trick. I think I remember how this goes, so like that. Take out this hard drive. Out the hard drive. Don't give me more problems, Xbox. How the hell do you take this thing out? I'll find out how. God. Come on, this piece of... Oh, God. You pushing, then sort of pry it out with your thumb, or do you just pull it out? Or maybe you lift it this way. On. God. First the damn needle, then the camera. Now it's the hard drive. Yes! Yes! Who's your daddy now? I got problems, I know. So, now it's time to wrap it with the towel. This is how this goes more smoothly than the damn hard drive. You don't have to wrap this thing around twice, do you? No, I don't really care anymore. Okay. Good enough for me. Now, have to turn on the controller because the button on here doesn't work anymore. No, yeah, it actually came that way, if you can believe that. Okay. All right. I guess we just leave it on for a while. I'm gonna hit the vending machines. A horrible day to lose my kneecaps. Okay, I think it's done cooking for a while. Just need to let it cool down for a bit. Might take a while. Okay, I think it's cooled down enough. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's cooled down enough. So let's start this bad boy up. Right. Forgot to start with the controller because it is a piece of shit. Yes. You didn't make me look like an idiot. Okay, let's start this bad boy up. Come on. What? I don't f***ing believe this. You shit. God. You're going in the fucking furnace.
This message is brought to you by Umbra.